Hey guys, welcome to our crazy RV. Today we are replacing the spare tire hoist assembly. Previously the other hoist assembly let loose and the spare tire went bouncing down the highway, and that's something we don't want. And currently right now the spare tire is just in the back of the truck, but I actually want that space for keeping some other things in. So we want to put the spare tire back underneath. So we have a brand new spare tire hoist assembly. And we're going to show you just how easy it is to replace this on our 2500 HD Sierra. So let's get it done. The first thing I'm actually going to do is I'm going to double check that the hoist assembly that I got works with the tire that I have, that I can put it through and it all works before I even go to all this trouble. But really on this one, the only thing you have is this one bolt right on top. So this is the current hoist assembly that's in there, and this is the one that we're going to replace. You can see it's slightly different than the one that we're putting in. However, the way that it hooks on looks identical. The next step, we're going to pull this off and drop this guy off. Just take that one bolt out and the whole assembly just comes on down. To clean it up a bit, the old ones will just go right back up. Like so. Get this started on this side. Now that we have the new assembly installed, that took like what, 1 minute total. We'll show you, we'll get that new tire up there and make sure that that works. And hopefully we're all good and we're ready to hit the road again. So our tools we need are right down here. So in our case here we've got these pieces, and these will actually go together like this. Form nice and long, and then they'll slide through and connect onto that shaft. So on the back here, this just pops open like this, and you need your key to take out this plug. And this plug, all the plug does is just fills that hole so it doesn't fill up with other crap. So that's how you do it, guys. That's installing a spare tire hoist on a 2500 HD pickup. And give this a ride now and make sure it stays up there. But now we should have all this extra truck box to work with, pending our spare tire doesn't go bouncing down the road again. But thanks for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel, and we really appreciate your support. Until next time, we will see you next Sunday.
Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklyn, Braeden, and Acacia. So we love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV.